Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can translate a message on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages by clicking on this icon on the top right. And for example guys, I'm going to translate message from my friend. Okay, and then I'm going to translate this message. For example, if we want to translate, we can tap and hold on the message we want to translate, and there will be some options for you guys, and you just need to select the translate menu, and the message will be translated to your language on Instagram. For example, if you use English language on Instagram, so the message will be translated to English. And this is the English translation of this message, and you will be able to translate your message as well. If you want to translate your message, you just need to do the same. Tap and hold on the message, and you can click on translate. Okay, and this is the translation. And if you are done with the translation, you can hide the translation like this, and you will be able to show it again. All right. And then if you want to change the language guys, you can go to your setting on Instagram. When you change the language on your Instagram, the language for the translation will be changed as well. And I'm going to go to my setting. We can go to our profile first and then click on these three lines on the top right to open up the settings and activity on Instagram, and then scroll down and find the language menu. And here you can change the app language of Instagram. As you can see, I have set it to English. And if you want to change it, you just need to select the language you want to apply. But I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay. And when you change the app language, the translation of the message will be changed. Okay. That's so easy, right? Basically, you just need to tap and hold on the message and then click on the translate. But guys, this is new feature on Instagram, so if you haven't got this feature, make sure you updated your Instagram first. Okay, and that's all the way to translate message on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.